In this video, I will guide you on how to delete your Twitter now called X account permanently. First things first, open up the X app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account that you wish to delete. Once you're in the app, look for your profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that option. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on your account. Next, find and select Deactivate. To proceed with deactivation, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your Twitter password. This ensures that only you can make this significant change. Once you've entered your password correctly, tap Deactivate again to finalize this process. Congratulations, your X account is now deactivated for a period of 30 days. Keep in mind that if no action is taken within those 30 days, your Twitter account will be permanently deleted along with all its data. And there you have it, that's how to deactivate and ultimately delete your Twitter X account permanently. If this video helped clarify the process for you, or if there are any questions left unanswered, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.